Welcome to Restaurant ROI Roundup. I'm Ryan Taylor, and today we're building a practical playbook for mastering local SEO and social media so you can grow covers, reservations, and online orders. Whether you run one cozy bistro or 8 bustling locations, this episode focuses on actions you can implement this week. We'll define the metrics that matter, fix local search essentials, fully optimize your Google business profile, upgrade your website and menus, and create a content and video system that reliably turns attention into guests. We'll also activate reviews, user-generated content, community partnerships, quick paid social tests, and a simple 90-day plan. Grab a notepad. We're going step by step, keeping it friendly, tactical, and measurable. By the end, you'll know exactly what to improve. Start by defining success and measuring it. For restaurants, prioritize 4 conversions: calls, directions, reservations, and online orders. In GA4, create events for click-to-call, click for directions, reservation button clicks, and order button clicks. Deploy via Google Tag Manager. Connect Google Search Console to see the queries driving impressions and clicks. Add UTM parameters to every offsite link, bios, menus, reservation widgets, and delivery profiles, so attribution stays honest. In GA4, build a report showing sessions, conversions, and cost by channel. In Google Business Profile Insights, track searches, views, calls, directions, and website visits. Record baselines today and review weekly. If you can't measure it, you can't improve it, and consistent tracking alone will put you ahead of most competitors. Track reservations via UTM widgets. Count phone bookings as assisted. Next, nail NAP consistency. Your name, address, and phone number must match character for character across the web. Start with Google, Apple Maps, Bing, Yelp, and Facebook. Then confirm accuracy on TripAdvisor, OpenTable, or Racy, and delivery platforms like DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, and ChowNow. Use a single local phone number per location, ideally with call tracking that presents the local line. Standardize hours, categories, and short descriptions. Hunt down duplicates and old listings and request merges if you've moved or rebranded. Keep menu, order, and reservation links identical across directories. Create a location spreadsheet documenting each platform, status, login, and last updated date. Review quarterly and add photos and a clear tagline so listings look complete and trustworthy. Consistency builds trust and prevents guest frustration. Your Google Business Profile is the new homepage. Select the best primary category: restaurant, pizza restaurant, sushi restaurant, and add relevant secondary categories like bar or catering. Verify hours and holiday hours early. Turn on messaging and monitor it. Add menu links, order links, and reservation links in their designated fields, prioritizing your direct options. Choose attributes: outdoor seating, wheelchair accessible, vegan options, family-friendly, Wi-Fi, and payments. Post fresh photos weekly: food, drinks, interior, exterior, and team. Seed common Q&A with clear, helpful answers. Publish Google posts 2 to 3 times weekly with specials, events, and new dishes, always with a call to action. Name photos descriptively and avoid stock. Finally, check insights for queries, calls, directions, and actions, and respond to all reviews within 24 hours. Strengthen your website's local signals with a dedicated landing page for each location. Start with a clear H1, including cuisine and neighborhood. Add exact NAP at top and bottom, embed a Google map, and reference nearby landmarks, transit, and parking. Feature calls to action above the fold: order now, reserve, and call. Include hours, holiday hours, signature dishes, dietary accommodations, and ambiance. Add a scannable directions section for major crossroads. If you host events, include private dining details and an inquiry form. Link internally to menus, happy hour, brunch, and events pages. Use real, bright photography. Add FAQs addressing parking, gluten-free items, kid-friendliness, and pet policies to capture long-tail searches and reduce friction. Keep copy unique per location to avoid duplication penalties and improve relevance. Make your menus HTML, not just PDFs. Search engines and screen readers need readable text to understand dishes, prices, and dietary notes. Maintain a single canonical URL per menu: dinner, lunch, brunch, happy hour, and update seasonally without changing URLs. Add structured data using schema.org on location pages: restaurant, local business, menu, menu section, menu item, opening hour specification, and review or aggregate rating where applicable. Include serves cuisine, price range, and direct order or reservation links in markup. Validate with Google's rich results test. For specials and events, create dedicated pages that can rank independently. Avoid images with text for critical information. If a PDF is necessary, pair it with compressed matching HTML. Add allergy symbols and vegan or vegetarian flags in text so semantics, accessibility, and near-me visibility improve across mobile searches. Speed and mobile UX drive revenue. Compress images under 200 KB, use WebP, lazy load below the fold media, and cache assets with a CDN. Minify CSS and JavaScript, remove unused scripts from old widgets, and defer non-critical tags. Add a sticky mobile action bar with 3 buttons: order, reserve, call, large, high contrast, and thumb-friendly. Test core web vitals, largest contentful paint, interaction to next paint, and cumulative layout shift, and fix issues promptly. Ensure accessibility, descriptive alt text, keyboard navigation, logical heading order, sufficient color contrast, visible focus states, and a simple privacy policy. Display allergy and dietary information near menu items. Test the journey on a mid-range phone over cellular. Aim for sub-3-second loads and a clean, distraction-free checkout. Remove obstacles, reduce steps, and autofill addresses where possible. Reviews power rankings and conversions. Implement a reviews engine that triggers post-visit, SMS or email within 24 hours with a friendly short link to Google. Add QR codes on checks, table tents, and takeaway bags. Train staff to invite feedback sincerely. Aim for 5 new Google reviews per location each week, with fresh photos when possible. Respond to every review within 24 hours. Thank happy guests and address issues professionally, inviting them back. Use keywords naturally in responses, like dish names or neighborhood references. Funnel unhappy guests to a private feedback form first to resolve problems. Showcase best reviews on your site near menus or booking buttons. Never incentivize 5-star ratings. Encourage honest feedback and excellent service. Set alerts so nothing slips and coach response tone. Create content that ranks and converts. Publish weekly specials and seasonal menus as standalone pages, not just images on social. Build evergreen event pages, Mother's Day brunch, Valentine's dinner, graduation groups, game day viewing, with clear CTAs and reservation or order options. Write neighborhood guides highlighting attractions before or after dining. Include walking times. Add FAQs for dietary needs, gluten-free, vegan, halal, plus parking, kid options, and pet-friendly policies. Target near-me intent by mentioning neighborhoods, landmarks, and cross streets naturally. Keep paragraphs short, use subheadings, and add internal links to location pages and menus. Repurpose each page into social posts and a short email to your list. Track impressions, clicks, and conversions in Search Console and GA4, then double down on winning topics. Prune underperformers after seasonal windows pass. Elevate visuals. Shoot bright, natural light food photos with steam, texture, and color. Show hospitality, greetings, plating, toasts, chef cameos to humanize the brand. Maintain a simple style guide, angles, backgrounds, color palette, and permissions. For short-form video, follow this formula. Hook in 2 seconds, 6 to 20 second total length, captions on, brand-safe audio, 1 idea per clip, and a clear CTA like Book Wednesday Happy Hour. Film vertically, stabilize shots, cut tight. Choose platforms with purpose. Instagram and TikTok for reach, Facebook for community and events, Google Posts for search visibility. Post 3 to 5 feed posts weekly, plus regular stories during service windows. Tag your location, use specific local hashtags, and reply quickly to DMs and comments. Batch shoot monthly and schedule content. Maintain brand consistency everywhere. Activate user-generated content and micro-influencers. Host monthly tastings for new items. Invite loyal guests, creators with 3K to 25K followers, and neighboring businesses. Offer a fixed fee or trade like a preset tasting for 2, and secure content permissions. Track with unique codes or QR links per partner. Repost the best content with credit. Use offers strategically. Limited time promos for slow periods and weekday incentives. Never discount peak hours. Tie each offer to a redemption code to measure revenue. Test paid social quickly. Boost top organic posts to a 1 to 3 mile radius with click-to-call and directions, $10 to $20 per day for 7 to 10 days. Build community partnerships with gyms, theaters, markets, schools, and charities. Co-host events and request backlinks to your landing pages. Capture content and publish recaps. Let's wrap with weekly optimization and your next steps. In Google Business Profile, review queries, calls, directions, and actions. refresh photos and posts. In Search Console, check top pages and keywords. Improve titles, snippets, and content where impressions rise. Run page speed insights to catch regressions. Multi-location brands, keep one GBP and one localized landing page per location with unique photos, reviews, specials, and schema. Strengthen direct ordering. Make order direct obvious, offer a small incentive, keep aggregator menus consistent, track profitability, and reduce checkout steps. Today we covered metrics, NAP, GBP, site speed, menus, reviews, content, video, UGC partnerships, paid social, and a 90-day plan, practical moves to grow covers and orders. Thanks for listening. Subscribe, review, and share Restaurant ROI Roundup. I'm Ryan Taylor. See you soon.